So I gave myself a month to make a horror game. All I wanted is to be able to publish it to Steam and maybe have a few people playing it. Yeah, you gotta aim high, right? I wanted it to be in 3D. Until now, I made 2D games. But hey, why not 3D? I mean, I don't have to do any more pixel art. Pixel art is hard.
I have more pleasure just beating the brush than anybody in the country.
Lighting is hard, lighting pixel art is hard, animation in pixel art is hard. I don't know how to draw, I don't know how to light, I don't know any of that. So yeah, 3D, because you can put shaders, you can use like 3D models, you know, put some lights, set some global illumination, you're golden. And how did it go? It went great. So it all started with a bunch of assets that I bought. I'm not a 3D modeler, I don't know how to texture stuff, I guess I gotta start somewhere. I bought a bunch of furniture and some character models. Alright, so after a couple of days, here's what I got.
Helicopter, helicopter!
We got the character and we can move around. We can now have interactable objects. I just had a conversation with the box.
You're my special friend.
Ship it. So what kind of horror game should I make? Okay, so here's the concept. You start out at the hotel. We don't know who you are, we don't know what you're doing there. I want to throw the protagonist right into the action. Okay, so here's what I think. Our story in a nutshell is that we have our protagonist. He's been searching for his brother for a long time. Evil corporation. We have to infiltrate that evil corporation. We're gonna get some conclusion out of that. His brother disappeared. Why did he disappear? We don't know yet. I don't know that either. But not knowing means that I can build on it later. So what's the horror element? Well, here's the thing. I've got an idea. So now that we have our main story, we throw some hurdles at our hero to stop him from getting into evil corporation's lair. Now we introduce our first challenge. What does a challenge mean? It means you can lose, it means it's dangerous, it means it could have consequences. Once we go to the challenge, now comes the reward. He went through the challenge, now we know he's committed, now he can sit around and get more of our backstory. So this is a nice little loop. We will have multiple such loops in the full game, but this is like a micro loop. It's a self-contained unit that has a beginning, a challenge, and some sort of reward. And now we place this rock just right. Perfect. Here's our guy on the dock. Oh, what's that in the distance? It's the big evil corporation's headquarters. This looks like shit, right? Boom! Instant creepy. Look at what little bit of post-processing and lighting does. Don't write long exposition. Don't write long exposition. Don't write long exposition. Don't write long expositions. I wrote long expositions. In the meantime, we also finished our first cutscene. There's just a bunch of trees floating on the water. We only had budget for the trees. Game magic. Here's the most important part. Boom! Yeah, that's great. Alright, let's start. New game. Okay, so we're in some sort of hotel room. We don't know anything about who we are. Okay, we can go to the bathroom, great. Seriously tired. That's the story of my life. Oh, there's a phone call. Hello?
Mr. Clark, good, you're still awake.
I am ready. Head out, get your bags, phone and leave. Yes. Yeah, so for the rest of the game, head over to itch.io, check it out, it's right there, it's available, it's the best thing I ever done. Yes, so turns out, surprise, surprise, 3D is actually not easier at all. It's a very different beast. But anyway, I don't want to be technical in this video, so just head on over to itch.io, try it out, have fun, and leave me some feedback, please. Please, I thrive on feedback. Try it out, let me know 2 things you liked, 2 things you didn't like about the game. It helps me immensely. Take care, have fun.